Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been getting a lot of requests from you guys asking if I could do a date night makeup look, and I thought that was the perfect makeup tutorial to come back to on my channel. So this is the makeup look that we're going to create in today's video. It is a very sultry, smoky, very sexy date night look. This is also going to be a foundation review. I'm going to be reviewing the new Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. So if you want to hear a little bit more about this foundation, the pros, the cons, and my thoughts on it, definitely stay tuned until after the makeup tutorial where I will be doing a full in-depth review of this foundation. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup tutorial. This makeup look is going to be featuring all Bobbi Brown products, so let's get started. I like to prep my skin with a good moisturizer and primer, and this vitamin Enriched face base acts as both. I take a pea-sized amount, warm it up between my fingers, and apply it to my face like I would a moisturizer. So I just take one full pump of the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation with SPF 15 onto the back of my hand and apply it to my face with a wet beauty sponge. As you can see, it's covering up a lot of my problematic areas, my hyperpigmentation, the redness around my nose, and even my under eye circles. This is a full coverage foundation with the most beautiful semi-matte finish. It's super lightweight and actually really long wearing. Next up, I'm going to take the brow pencil in the shade Mahogany and lightly fill in my brows where it's a little bit more sparse. This will be the easiest smoky eye you've ever done. I take the Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in the shade Vanilla and lay it down all over my lids as a base. With another cream shadow stick in the shade Heather Steel, I'm going to concentrate this color right above my lash line and blend it out with a fluffy brush to diffuse the color up towards my crease. I'm also going to smoke out this color on my lower lash line to give this look a really sultry feel. And to really intensify the smokiness of this eye look, I'm going to take the shade Bark and concentrate this on the outer corners, and again just blending it out with a fluffy brush. Just to add a little bit of warmth to this look and to blend out any harsh lines, I just apply a little bit of bronzer up in my crease area to blend out all the shadows. To bring back some color to my face, I apply a little bit of bronzer to my cheeks as well as my jawline. I don't want anything clashing or competing with these smoky eyes, so I just dust a neutral pink blush all over my cheeks. Again, I want to keep my lips really neutral and muted, so I take the crushed lip color in the shade Bare and apply it all over my lips before I highlight just the middle parts of my lips with the lip gloss in number 8 Nude to make them look a little plumper. This is the finished makeup look. This is my go-to date night look, so let's jump back into the review. I have never used a foundation that is so full coverage while still looking and feeling like skin. I've had medium coverage foundations that does that, but not a full coverage one. So this is what the foundation looks like. It is a glass bottle with a pump. Thank goodness. It is 1 fluid ounce, so it is a standard foundation size. This foundation also has a lot of great ingredients in it, so it's also treating your skin while covering up anything that you want covered up. It has marine sugar cane and natural mineral powders that reduces sebum and minimizes pores over time, as well as vitamin E and C and shea butter, infusing skin with healthy hydration all day. So that's just incredible that a foundation will do things that a skincare product will do for you. This foundation is so comfortable and flexible and breathable on my skin. It's definitely a foundation that I can smile in and make facial expressions without getting weird lines. I just love the look and feel of this foundation. My shade is number 4 Natural, and this is the perfect color match for me. And the best part is that it doesn't oxidizes throughout the day. It doesn't get ashy or anything. It stays true to color all day long. If you guys have been looking for a good long wearing full coverage comfortable foundation, I would highly recommend this when it does release, because I think this has been the perfect foundation for me, especially in the winter months when I want to look a little bit more matte but not completely flat. This is such a beautiful looking foundation. That is it for this video, guys. I think that is everything that I wanted to share with you about this new foundation from Bobbi Brown. If you have any questions about this foundation or any of the products that I mentioned, then definitely let me know down at the comment section below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.